Welcome to part 136 of Daily English. Today's topic: listening and speaking fluency practice. Speak without stopping. Example: speak without stopping for 1 minute. Don't translate in your head. Example: try not to translate in your head. Think in English. Example: think in English while you speak. Use simple sentences. Example: use simple sentences if you don't know difficult words. Keep talking. Example: keep talking even if you make mistakes. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Example: don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone learns by practicing. Confidence is important. Example: confidence is important when speaking English. Practice speaking every chance you get. Example: practice speaking every chance you get, even by yourself. You'll become more fluent. Example: you'll become more fluent if you practice every day. Mini conversation. Teacher, today we'll practice fluency. Student, I'm afraid of making mistakes. Teacher, don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep talking. Student, should I use simple sentences? Teacher, yes. Think in English, speak with confidence, and you'll become more fluent. Daily tip: fluency doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It means expressing your ideas smoothly and confidently. Focus on communicating instead of avoiding mistakes. The more you speak, the easier English will become. Speaking challenge. Choose any topic you like and speak continuously for 1 minute. Don't stop to translate or correct yourself. Use simple English, keep talking with confidence, and record yourself to measure your progress. Subscribe for part 137. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.